Welcome to Module 3 of GDPR Training by Complico. In this module, we'll focus on one of the most important concepts in GDPR, personal data. Understanding what qualifies as personal data is essential because GDPR applies only when personal data is being processed. What is personal data? Under GDPR, personal data is defined as any information relating to an identified or identifiable natural person. This means any information that can directly or indirectly identify someone. Examples of personal data. Let's break this down with some common examples. Direct identifiers. Full name, e.g., Rahul Sharma. Email address, rahul@gmail.com. Phone number. Passport or Aadhaar number. Indirect identifiers. IP address. Location data. Device ID. Online usernames. Even if a single piece of data doesn't identify someone, combining multiple pieces can make a person identifiable. Special category data, sensitive data. GDPR provides extra protection for certain types of personal data, known as special category data. This includes health information, religious or philosophical beliefs, political opinions, biometric data, fingerprints, facial recognition, genetic data, sexual orientation. This data requires stricter handling and additional legal safeguards. Who is a data subject? A data subject is the person to whom the personal data relates. For example, employees, customers, website visitors. If your organization collects or processes their data, GDPR applies. What is data processing? Processing means any operation performed on personal data, such as collecting, recording, storing, using, sharing, deleting, right finger, even simply viewing personal data counts as processing. When does data become anonymous? If personal data is fully anonymized, meaning no individual can be identified at all, GDPR no longer applies. However, pseudonymized data, e.g., replacing names with IDs, is still considered personal data because it can be re-identified. Why personal data matters? Handling personal data incorrectly can lead to legal penalties, financial fines, loss of customer trust. Understanding what qualifies as personal data helps organizations stay compliant, protect individuals' privacy, build trust with customers. Personal data is at the heart of GDPR. By recognizing what personal data is and how it should be handled, you take the first step toward responsible data protection and compliance. Next module, Principles of GDPR. Stay tuned and continue your learning journey with Complico.